Hey guys, let's eat egg tarts. Very yummy. Very yummy. And meron tayo ditong coffee. So, coffee tayo while eating egg tarts. Favorite to ni Josh. And yung ating pangalan ng kanilang bakery ay Papa's. Sobrang yummy nito guys. Kakarating lang. Kape natin, dark coffee. The best partner guys, no? So, good morning. Thanks for watching. God bless.